I was working as an actor in Hawaii as a teenager, and when I would audition out there, it was like I was a statue. It was so hard for me. It was just like, do I know the lines? Do I have the lines down? Am I saying this right? The benefit of taking an improv class here at the Acting Center is it seriously just like, it frees you up in such a way that's just, it's so different than anything else. It unsticks you in anything that you're kind of stuck in, or if you're having trouble working with scripted material or auditioning or doing anything, it lets you just be the actor and just take your decisions and just run with them. I mean, I've talked to other people that are in other improv classes, and it's like, it's so complex, and it's like, you have to meet certain like standards to make it to the next like level and stage. It's not about that, it's just about creating art and having fun with it. It's so much fun to me now. Before it was something that was like so scary, and now it's like, I love it, and I love performing with all the other performers. It's amazing.